First of all, we draw the sketch of A4 Kohlrabi vegetable. Amazing! Now we fill the color in it. Amazing!